Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2018 Renault Megane and I will show you how to fold down the rear seats to get more cargo space. This video will apply to 4th generation of Renault Meganes made from 2016. Now this is quite easy to do. On some vehicles you have to do it from the trunk area, but these Renaults, they have like a small lever just here on the top of this seat. You want to press it and pull the seat down, and that's all you have to do. And now look how much more space you get, and the same thing goes with the other side, so you can lower the complete rear bench. I can't lower the other side because I have a baby seat right now, but if you lower it you'll get lots of space. For these video purposes I will just show you this lever on the other side as well, so just want to press it and lower the seat. To install the seat back up, there is nothing special you have to do, just have to lift it and push it in and it will lock in place, just like that. And that's it. Okay, thank you for watching this very short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.